So you guys are in for a special treat because Mike fixes and flips houses. He's built an empire from rental portfolio to lending to being a retail agent. We're going to talk about building the real estate business that he's done and so much more. So you're in for a special treat because Mike has a lot of experience in a lot of different fields, which is why I've asked him to come in to share all of these different things that he's doing with you. If you don't mind though, Mike, you know, right now to share with the listeners, and correct me if there's more, you fix and flip houses, you've got a rental portfolio, you do lending, and you're a retail agent. Is there any other stuff that you do?
No, that's pretty much what we got going on. So
okay, so right now you're killing it, but there was a day when you weren't in real estate, right? If you don't mind sharing with us, how did you get your start in real estate and how long ago was that?
So I've been doing real estate full time now probably about 8 years.
Okay.
So I first got my interest in real estate. I grew up small town in California. My dad had a retail nursery and garden center, so I grew up in the nursery world. And when I was a senior in high school, he sold the business and he went out and bought a bunch of lots and then partnered with a contractor that he had known in this small town for a long time, and they had built a bunch of spec homes. So I watched them do pretty good with that and took a bunch of interest when I first saw that. But when you're, 17, 18-year-old kid, it's like getting into real estate doesn't seem real. So
right.
That's when my interest in real estate sparked. And then I was doing sales, traveling all the time, like 6 months out of the year on the road. And my brother asked me if I wanted to go to a free house flipping seminar that weekend if I was going to be in town. It was whatever guru was there. And,
yeah.
So we ended up going to that, and took about a year, got our first deal, 94 offers in a year.
Wow.
Finally got our first deal. And haven't looked back since.
Holy cow, holy cow. So just to elaborate a little bit more, you submitted 94 offers before you bought your first property.
Yeah.
Dude, I love that story because I don't know if you know this, I do public speaking for a couple different educators in the country. And every time I come off stage and these people will come up to me and say, I've submitted 4 offers and I haven't gotten anything. I'm like, sorry, bud. You're gonna need to submit a lot more than 4.
Dude, I remember just kind of a quick little story. On our first offer, I was terrified, and our offer was so low, it was ridiculous, and just sitting there terrified. Like, what are we gonna do if they accept it? Like, we don't have the money. If we're gonna wholesale it, we don't know any. Like, what are we gonna do? And the response back on that first offer was, "What is this? An unwelcome joke?" And I was like, okay, that wasn't that bad, and we just kind of kept going. But once you get that first one out of the way.
Yeah, exactly. I've had those calls. Is this for real or is this a joke?
Yeah.
No, it's real. Why, they don't like it?
Yeah, and I mean, secretly we're sitting there like, don't accept it, because what are we going to do if they say yes?
Right. I remember those days. Oh, that's awesome.